The F-35 Lightning II and the J-35, also known as FC-31, are both stealth fighter jets developed by the United States and the China respectively. Each aircraft represents significant advancements in aerospace technology and plays a key role in air power strategy of their country. The F-35 is a single-engine, multi-role stealth fighter developed by Lockheed Martin. It has a top speed of around Mach 1.6 and is powered by the Pratt & Whitney F135 engine, which delivers approximately 43,000 pounds of thrust. In contrast, the J-35 is a twin-engine stealth fighter developed by China's Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. It's reported to have a maximum speed of about Mach 1.8 and uses two WS-13 or possibly newer WS-19 engines in its latest variants. In terms of size, the F-35 is about 15.7 meters long with a wingspan of 10.7 meters. The J-35 is slightly larger, measuring approximately 16.9 meters in length and with a wingspan around 11.5 meters. Both aircraft are designed with internal weapon bays to maintain stealth profiles during combat missions. When it comes to stealth, both jets use radar-absorbing materials and smooth external designs to reduce their radar cross-section. The F-35 features a single engine and inward canted tail fins, while the J-35 has a twin-engine layout and outward canted twin-tail fins. The F-35 is equipped with the AN/APG-81 AESA radar, electro-optical targeting system, distributed aperture system, and advanced data fusion capabilities. The J-35 is expected to feature AESA radar and an electro-optical targeting system as well, although specific details about its full sensor suite are still limited in the public domain. In terms of payload, the F-35 can carry about 8,160 kg of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and guided bombs, both internally and on external hard points if needed. The J-35 is estimated to have a maximum payload of around 8,000 kg, with the ability to carry a mix of Chinese-made missiles and bombs. The F-35's range varies by variant, with the F-35A capable of flying around 2,200 km on internal fuel. The J-35's combat range is estimated to be slightly lower, around 1200 to 1500 km, but exact figures have not been officially confirmed. Both aircraft are designed with advanced cockpit displays, helmet-mounted systems, and data sharing abilities. The F-35 uses the Gen 3 helmet-mounted display system, while the J-35 is reportedly equipped with a modern Chinese-developed equivalent. While the F-35 has already been inducted into multiple air forces around the world and is in full operational use, the J-35 is still in the testing and development phase, with the prototypes undergoing flight trials and improvements. So, both the F-35 and J-35 represent significant milestones in fighter jet development. Their specifications highlight a focus on stealth, speed, sensors, and multi-role capabilities that define the next generation of air combat platforms. If you found the video informative, don't forget to like the video and share the video and subscribe my channel IT with Faisal. See you in the next video.